What's going on, Street Trip Drift Squad? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm full of energy today. It's early in the morning. Well, early to some of you, but early to me. But yes, we are heading out to something different for you guys. Got to keep it on the different level as much as I can. But we're heading out to Oviedo. We're going to check out the Rocks Brews, Cars and Coffee over there. This is my first time going out there. So I don't know what to expect, but I'm expecting the best. But I got my boy Dennis over here. We're riding together. Had a little bit of a TPMS scare because my light had came on.
It scared the hell out of me. I was so scared, y'all. I didn't on myself. And I'm talking about I was wet. I was wetter than a well in a bubble bath drinking a bottle of water. Never happened to me before, especially with the new wheel setup. So I was a little scared. I'm like, oh, come on, don't tell me that this trip's gonna be canceled just because of a tire. But it was just a little low, so the light came on. Shout out to the boys at Jiffy Lube that hooked me up, got me right, and yep, now we're on our way, guys. Hopefully it should be a big event, big turnout. It's supposed to be beautiful weather today, really hot too. So we're gonna meet out with some of the other guys over there and see who comes out and give you guys the best show. So stick around and stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that. What are you waiting for? Come on, I'm gonna give you a second. Hit that subscribe. Help your boy grow so we can give you guys bigger and better content as you deserve. Right now, I don't know where I'm going. Some back roads through Winter Garden. We're still in Winter Garden, I believe. But yeah, we'll figure it out. It should be fun. And we'll catch you guys when we get there. Guys, quick update, by the way. I think I found the one flaw that I don't like in this car. I know I made the video, the likes and dislikes, and there were damn near 0 dislikes, but this one today made me realize, damn, why don't I have this feature? And that, guys, is the TPMS. It doesn't show you what each individual tire's pressure. It just tells you, you know, in total that you're low on either right rear or front rear or so. So let me see if I can show you real quick while we're at the light. So when you go into the settings, service, boom, tire pressure monitor, the only thing you could do is store it. So annoying. So the situation I just had, the warning light came up and said that my right rear was low, but it didn't tell me what I was at. So I had to literally put it to the gauge, see what the gauge says, and then go from there and put the air in. But it would have been very convenient if I can get the digital display that most cars have that tells you the tire pressure. So man, I found one thing. All right, guys, so we made it out here, just trying to find some parking, but already I can tell it's gonna be annoying because they have the loud speakers going over there. So I'm gonna try to make do with what we got and show you guys the most. But once we get situated here, we'll kind of sort that out. And if anything, I'll probably throw on some background music so you guys can get that as well. But look at this. Big lineup here, guys. It's actually a nice spot. Like I said, first time coming out here, and so far pretty impressed. And I think there's more cars down that way, so we're gonna see if we can get some parking over here. All right, guys, so we are outside. Check out my boy Ray, finally getting to see him. Looking fresh as always. We got squad pulled up. It's the bi-turbo. Woo! Whole gang out here, guys. Yes, sir, looking fresh. Check what else is on the lineup, guys. We just keep getting bigger and bigger. Sheesh, GT4 and the yellow. Man, this yellow and blue actually goes crazy together when you see them. Looks nice. Check out the highlights coming in here, guys. Beautiful blue Mustangs. Got the OG Corvette next to the M240. When I head down this way to check out this G80, man, this thing is looking nice. Crazy wheels. Looks like BC forged. But I love this gray, man. Crazy exhaust on the back. Nasty stance, man. Look at this thing. No, actually not BC forged. This is sick. Forge line. Nasty. And he's got the carbon buckets. Blacked out. Woo! Love the hood. This thing goes hard. Crazy stance right there, guys. Look at that. So sick.
Look at everything they got out here, guys. You got the IS, you got an S2K, beautiful M2 here in the powder blue. I'm not sure the name of the color, but I call it powder blue. OG 5.0. A lot of interesting things, guys. So I'm gonna try to get the best as I can for you, especially like we said with the music playing in the background. Got the Alfa Romeo here, 87 5.0 GT. Guys, check out Audi gang in the building. Crazy respect here. Look at the carbon front lip. Nasty. Woo. This thing sounds mean too. I want to get it permed for you guys. Listen to this. Damn, in the red. Look at the exhaust, huge. This is sexy, guys. One of the best wagons ever made, hands down. Big respect. Now, guys, you see everything here. Trans Am, sick. Excellent condition. And you got the little toy, the two toy versions. And check out this 300D. This thing's only got 192K on the miles. Mint condition. Like to see it, man. Lots of different things here, guys. The GT 500 right here. Big Mustang lineup. And then over there, we'll check out some C8s. Look at this. OG 5.0. Woo! A lot of Mustangs here, guys. Nice ones, too. Let's check out the old school hot rods. Man, look at this. Chevy. Woo! Interior. Man, that thing is popping. Clean. So crazy. A lot of room in the back seat too. This thing's a beast. Check this one out over here. Wow. This is crazy. Very rare to see one of these, and then let alone in this condition. Look at the back, guys. Ford, done right. But look what's next to it, guys. Trans Am. This thing's a badass. Woo, 455. Letting you know what's up. That's one of the things I miss about the cars today. Because you can tune in and everything, I get it, but I like how you can automatically tell what kind of power it's putting out. Get that instant respect. Look at the interior. Really clean interior. And you could tell this type of leather isn't made anymore either. Look at the style of leather there. Wow, this thing is so clean. Love to see it. Got this other beauty here. Look at this. Wow. Excellent condition, guys. With the black interior, stick shift. Very rare color. This like really deep green. This is actually the same color my first Maxima that I used to have. My first car was this color. It was a deep green, and in some cases you see here it looks black. Sick. Love to see it, man. Oh, look at this. Speaking of muscle, this Challenger coming right here, looking nice. Sitting nice too. Guys, next to this Mustang convertible here in this nice blue. Check this out. OG Chevy. Woo. Excellent condition. Man, these cars are like well maintained. Wow. Crazy Mustang right here too. My guy pulled up. I'm thinking he's coming with the Miata, but he switched it up on me. I didn't know he had more cars. Let me find out. Nice Civic here with the red and black wheels. These things are lovely, man. You gotta tell me when you're bringing other cars. Guys, check this out. Super rare F-150, the two-door, the Lightning. I don't know if they what they call it now, but interesting to see. Check out the place, guys. Real nice restaurant. Not sure if the food's good, but I assume so. Look at this, the Rush Hour Corvette. Guys, look at this. Crazy. Sheesh. Sequential shifter on there. Look at the seats. The upgrade of the seats, and I like how he matched it. Almost looks like it came with it. Look at this. The meat and potatoes. No games. Look at the size of the belt. What? This is nuts. Straight power. And then right next to it, you got the little mini-me. Pretty crazy. Real small. Next to this 911 Porsche, guys. There's a big mix up of things. Let's check out these vets here, because They're looking pretty mean too. Look at this. Got a nice lineup of vets, guys. Ooh, got the Camaro LS3. Fat tires in the back. Almost like slicks. Look at the Mountain Dew Corvette. Beast. I love this wide body. Oh, with the crazy wheels. This thing is sick. Red interior. Huge wing. As we got a C8 over there starting up. This is sick. And look at this. Crazy beadlock wheels with the roll cage. Removable steering wheel. You got a parachute in the back? Come on, man. This thing's putting out serious power. For sure. Upgraded brakes. Look at that. Madness. The music's pretty low, guys. Check out the lineup of the Corvettes. Look at this bad boy right here. Carbon hood. Sitting nice. You got a C8 here. Got a Porsche 718. Crazy Stingray right here. Love that. Big tires in the back. Ooh, the GTO. You don't see these anymore, guys. Big sleeper. They don't know about this engine. Crazy. Wow. Guys, check out what's on this side. Got a nice Civic over here, Mustang, got the Pontiac, actually Saturn actually. This one's a Pontiac. Look at this though, with the doors up. Really interesting on this one. Nice. Crazy 300Z right here, guys. Remember these, so sick. Look at this GTR. Woo, nasty. I like this wrap. You got a 370Z here, looking nice as well. Man, that golden, got the street trip colors actually. Just need to toss my logo on there. Guys, everything's out here. Look at the Subaru. Not your typical Subaru, look at that. Nice wheels. Love the big wing in the back. Crazy Tesla right here, guys. Look at the wheels on it. White on white. Got another STI right here. Ooh, rear seat delete with the Volks. Damn, no games over here, guys. Sheesh. Got a lot of juice. Huge carbon wing. Love to see it. We got the rest of the JDM over here. Infinity, the Q50s. Got a nice trio. Blue, silver, and black. And you got the Infinity convertible, and then you got this. Ooh, like this color. Got the black and orange. Ooh, crazy right there, guys. I'm telling you, there's a whole lot of everything out here. As we had to come into the shade because you're hitting triple digits today, and it's at that already. Check out this S2K while we're out here. Man, serious business. Roll cage. Got the sport seat, Recaro, passenger seat delete. Solo, and nobody getting in that car. All right, guys, we got squad rolling out. We're starving, trying to get away from this heat, so we're about to get something to eat. Probably show you guys the food depending on how it goes. But yeah, guys, got the fellas up there doing their B-roll footage for us. Crazy. Listen to that, guys. No games, that's what that's called. Secret sauce. There we go. Never did this before, so this should be interesting. Yes, sir. Squad rolling out. Woo! Little swirly. All right, we got the car guys out here. We got Soke, I believe Buddy Brian, the Ford guy. If I'm not mistaken, I haven't met them actually in person, so forgive me if I'm wrong, but they are here. Yes, sir. Nice takeoff. Man, he's gone. So we lost one, but we'll probably catch up to him after. Look at this, guys. Monster. Crazy. We got a nice Mustang back here, too. Super sick. Guys, look at this beast. Woo! Shit looks like a spaceship. Crazy. Especially with that green popping. Nuts. Look how low it's sitting, too. Imagine sitting inside, you even lower at that. Sheesh. All right, guys, we are here. Como en Casa restaurant. Never came here before, so this should be interesting. Everybody's saying it's super good, so we're about to find out. Got squad pulled up. Missing one car. Oh, here he comes. Sheesh. Check it out, guys. Madness right here. Listen to that rumble. Big boy. It's funny, we got a whole Mercedes gang. We got the one Audi out. Craziness right here, guys. But yeah, about to go in to eat. Not much more to this. If you guys like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you hit that like. Street Drip, thank you for watching. You want to say anything?
Like and subscribe to this channel, guys.
Hey, you heard him. Come on, guys. Street Drip. We'll see you on the next one. We're out.